Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in TikTok video. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to zoom in and zoom out in TikTok video. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on this plus mark and click on this icon video. Now click on this red mark and zoom this over. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.